Hey, this is Amber with Nissan and Hyundai of Cool Springs. We'd like to welcome all of our online shoppers. Thanks for taking a moment to watch our video. We hope that it's helpful in the search for your next vehicle. Today we are looking at a 2017 Murano SV. It's a one-owner vehicle with a Clean Carfax. Exterior features include fog lamps and alloy wheels. As we take a look inside, you'll see a charcoal cloth interior with plenty of room for 3 passengers in the back. Moving to the front, you'll see a very nice audio system with SiriusXM Radio with hands-free Bluetooth for use with your cell phone. Also, it has steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, GPS navigation, backup camera, and more. Call us at 615-538-9977 to set up a time for your test drive. We'll see you here at Hyundai of Cool Springs.